Turkey is weighing the return of its Russian-made S-400 system to Moscow and seeking a refund to repair ties with the United States and regain access to the F-35 program. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan raised the issue with his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin, during talks last week in Ashgabat, Bloomberg reported, citing sources. Ankara believes removing the S-400 could clear a key obstacle in negotiations with Washington. Turkey was expelled from the F-35 program and sanctioned under the U.S. Countering America's Adversaries through Sanctions Act, CAATSA, in 2020, after acquiring the system nearly a decade ago. The U.S. has repeatedly said Russian air defense systems are incompatible with NATO projects involving sensitive military technology. Turkey is also reportedly seeking compensation for the funds paid to Russia, with options including discounted Russian energy supplies or other offsetting arrangements, rather than a direct refund. U.S. Ambassador to Turkey Tom Barrack said earlier this month that Washington is engaged in ongoing discussions with Ankara on its bid to rejoin the F-35 fighter jet program, expressing hope for a breakthrough in the coming months. He said the U.S. law is clear that Ankara must no longer operate nor possess the S-400 system to return to the F-35 program. Turkish newspaper Nefes reported in September that Russia has proposed buying back the S-400 systems it sold to Turkey in 2019, as Moscow is running low on its own stockpiles and cannot meet other export commitments.